Today we are going to talk about the seasons. Seasons are different times during the year. There is the season winter. Winter is usually when it's cold outside, at least in the United States. And winter is usually in the months of December, January, and February. I'm going to look for some pictures that match with winter. This is a snowman. A snowman can only be built when it is cold outside so that the snow falls and so that it doesn't melt. That would definitely be a winter activity. If I'm looking at these two different kinds of clothes, which one would be for winter? That's right, it would be the hat. The hat is a winter hat because it would keep your head very warm during the cold time of the year or the cold months. Summer is another time of the year. Summer is the time in the year in the United States when it is the warmest. Those are during the months of June, July, and August. That's the time when we have off for summer. These shorts would be appropriate for summer. They would keep you cooler when the weather is warm. If I'm looking at these two activities, which activity matches summer? That's right, I would pick the sandcastle. Many people take vacations during the summer. They might go to visit the beach. At the beach, one of the activities you can do is to build something out of the sand, like a castle. These leaves bring us to our next season of the year. That season is fall. Think of fall like fall down. That has to do with the leaves. This is the time of year when it starts to get a little colder outside. Leaves change color on deciduous trees. Those are during the months of September, October, and November. Football is a common sport in the United States that is often played during the fall season. Our final season of the year is spring. Spring is the time of the year after winter when the weather starts to get a little bit warmer again. Things start to grow outside just like these flowers. People start to do more outdoor activities such as bike riding. Spring happens during the months of March, April, and May. Ahora voy a explicar un poco de estaciones o temporadas del año en español. Esta temporada es el invierno, winter. Se usa ropa para vestirse o abrigarse bien y hacen actividades en la nieve cuando hay frío. Summer significa el verano. El verano es cuando podemos usar short o ropa que no es tan caliente. También muchas personas van en sus vacaciones durante este tiempo del año. Es durante junio, julio y agosto. Por ejemplo, muchos van a la playa y se puede construir casas de arena allí. Fall significa otoño. Piensen cuando las hojas caen al suelo o a la tierra. También muchos juegan deportes, se incluye fútbol americano durante ese tiempo. Son los meses de septiembre, octubre y noviembre. Y por fin, spring significa la primavera. Esa es la temporada del año cuando las cosas empiezan a crecer otra vez afuera, por ejemplo, estas flores. También muchos están haciendo actividades otra vez afuera, por ejemplo, montando su bicicleta. Esos son los temporadas del año.